Explore 33 Troutman Street, a student accommodation designed for simple yet modern living in Brooklyn. Pick from spacious non-ensuite apartments that come with a warm bed for cosy naps and a dedicated study space to ace your academics. Bundled in your rent are cleaning services, water, electricity, and high-speed internet for seamless streaming. Make the most of a smart TV for cinematic nights at home, kitchenware to unleash your inner chef, and laundry facilities to skip laundromat runs. If you feel like taking a break, head to the backyard or rooftop for peace of mind. A quick walk can take you to St. Joseph's University and Pratt Institute, making it effortless to get to class on time. Catch a bus from Flushing Avenue or the subway at Flushing Avenue and kickstart your Big Apple adventures with ease and speed. So lock in the home of your dreams for a perfect NYC uni experience at 33 Troutman Street in Brooklyn before it's gone. Book via amberstudent.com now.